ಆಯಿತು, just a minute. Adjust the camera. Is full screen visible? I will not go for further adjustment. It's okay, I think. Is the full screen visible? If visible is okay, sufficient. Further adjustment I will not go for. Because why? If I go for adjustment, it will spoil the setting already. 720. Okay. Little turned actually. If I want to, alignment horizontally slightly turned, but okay, that is okay, I think. It is not a problem. If I go for more adjustment, problem. Just leave it. Okay. I'll come little down and see up to where possible. Just like it. You can even see that inclination for that one. Okay, no problem. Those things does not matter. That ABCD color it is not taking. I don't know why the color is not coming. Okay, 1 minute. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ. Okay, now reasonably okay. Further I will not go. I first decide up to where I can write here. The limiting line here. Once I get that one, sufficient for me. I can start. And where I am? Here. There also gone. I can go little that side. Okay. Use that. That side I can go. Up to here, no problem, I think. Up to here. Just a minute. Up to here. Till now, why he is playing with me? Now, you come further this side. Oh, yes, okay. That line visible? Which line just now I have drawn? Is it visible? The last line. So that I will not go beyond that line. This line visible? Sufficient. I put the mic on. Yes, okay. Now, same problem, mic problem. I put the mic on. Unfortunately, I till I get that hook. Some people will not be knowing what is that mic problem. What? Let them not. Those who are regular, they know it. Is voice clear? Is voice clear? If voice clear, we will start. Voice clear? You just comment voice clear. Okay. Now I will start. See, slope deflection method, moment distribution method, Carney's method. The three major methods which are part of our course, indeterminate structures, analysis of indeterminate structures, we already finished all the 9 basic questions. See, these 9 basic questions we finished. And you should, by this time, you know how to solve the slope deflection equation, and also how to go for moment distribution table, how to find rotation contribution, how to find rotation factor. That all you should know. Remember, in YouTube earlier, I did only one question by Kani's method. So, this class, anybody new, don't think that I am solving all these 9 questions now. What I am doing is, those who are in the group, for them to avoid confusion of end conditions, I am taking this class so that it is in the YouTube. It will be there permanently. Even after 1 year, suppose you got doubt, you can refer to this class. If it is Zoom means, I have to delete that one. And general public, if anybody watching, there is a pre-requirement for you. You should know correctly how to develop the slope deflection equation and how to find distribution factor, Kani's method, how to find rotation factor. Also very important for all method, how to find FPMs. Then further continuation in the SD method, writing expression for member and moments, then identifying unknowns, forming sufficient number of equations, solving, getting the moments. MD method, prepare the distribution table, enter distribution factors, enter FPMs, complete the table. You get the moments, final moments. Kani's method, find rotation factors, find FPMs. Then somewhere modification will be there. Perform that modification. Then go for a table type where you find rotation contribution. When the terms are repeating, you stop. Then you find final moment. That I am not telling today. But what happens is, problem for many are not that way. See, if anybody does not know SD method, MD method, Kani's method, right now leave the class. It is not for you. Those who are in my group, don't leave, because I covered all the 9 questions for you, except one question in the YouTube, Kani's method, long back. Okay, now, further, this class is to avoid confusion for end conditions. SD method, which are the slopes to be considered, how to form equilibrium equation. MD method and Kani's method. MD method and Kani's method, how to find relative stiffness. And then, if it is MD method, how to find distribution factor. And if it is Kani's method, rotation factor. Then, in the SD and MD and Kani's method, starting problem, where you have to make 0, where to carry over, how to arrive at a stage from where you can fluently do. See, MD method, add the 2 value, distribute carry over, add the value, distribute carry over, continue. Kani's method, this one, that is mechanical. That I will not tell. I will see that confusion part is cleared. Clear now? This is for avoiding the confusion. Okay, start. First I will start SD method. See, 9 basic questions. I will tell one thing. Even when I take academic, I have seen so many places, when they take up this method, they randomly take 1 or 2 problems and tell, okay, method is over. No. I believe in perfection. So, in the academic class also, offline or online, I consider all 9 questions. And if I told you, if you remember, I said long back in the academic session, where earlier, 9 basic question booklet was given for you. So therefore, these are the 9 basic questions. See, all are 3 span. In case 2 span, amount of work is reduced. But today what I am telling is applicable for any number of span. 2 span, 3 span, 4 span, 100 spans also. Now, first remember, you should concentrate on the end support. End supports can be fixed or simple support. See, end support I am telling. End support. It can be fixed. Either left hand or right hand. Don't worry. It can be fixed. Or it can be simple support. Or it can be simple support with overhang. Or it can be simple support with overhang. Now, important. Sometimes people will tell, sir, question given like this in the class. They will show roller here, roller, one more roller they will show here. They will show a hinge here. What to do? Why bother? See, this roller or hinge, they will be counted for horizontal reaction. We are not bothered about horizontal reaction. Therefore, whatever way they give the question, what you do? See, fixed. Never bother. Just put support, put this way, put this way. Hinge roller not required. Clear? Hinge, roller or simple support, all are same for beams. Clear? For bending and shear, all are same for beams. Clear or not? Hinge support or simple hinge support or roller support or what? Simple support, all of them simply write like this. Okay. Now, next point to be remembered. When you go to SD method, there is no problem. See, now you have to remember, for SD, I tell later, when you go to SD method, there is no problem regarding this correction solve. But when you go to moment distribution method and Carney's method, see, I tell now only, if those who get confusion after the class, repeatedly go to this class. Confusion is there. I use a red color. I don't know whether red is working or not today. If working means well and good. If red color is working, ideal. Somewhat working, red color. Okay. I use red color. Okay. Now, what you have to remember is, what are the supports? End support should be, see, remember, end supports should be taken as it is. As it is. For example, see, fixed, or simple support, overhang is not considered. End support, not I told, see, to cover the overhang. Simple support. End support, take as it is. Irrespective of whether they give this way, or if they give this way, or if they give this way, does not matter. And remember, intermediate support is special. Very important. Intermediate support. This is for MD method and Carney's method, not for SD method. This is note is for MD and Carney, not for SD. SD, this is not required. End support, take as it is. Intermediate support, it is a special. They are, see, to be considered as fixed for stiffness calculation for both MD method and Carney's method. When you find relative stiffness or absolute stiffness, intermediate supports are considered as fixed. And for further, and for SD and MD method, and also for carryover, also for carryover. For carryover purpose, end support is considered as fixed. Therefore, I will do one thing now to make more clear. I will start one by one now. See, I will tell first here. First, remember, easy method. See, I will write here. Intermediate. Now, one doubt. Some people will tell intermediate. No. A support is intermediate if there are supports on either side. See, here, there is no support this side. So, this is an interior support, no doubt. Interior support is different. I am using the word intermediate support. A support is intermediate if there are supports on either side. Or, I give an example for you. Imagine a bench. One person sits here. One person sits here. One person sits here. See, this person is intermediate. Why? Because either side people are there. These two are end persons. These two are end persons. Now, by chance, this person or this person is sitting slightly inside with a gap in the bench. He is not occupying full bench. Some gap is there. Suddenly someone will tell intermediate. No, he is slightly interior, but he is not intermediate. See, this is, you can tell he is little inside. There is a overhang here. So still he is end person only. He is still end person only. Clear? Or do one thing. If overhangs are there, you cover the overhangs. See, by the finger, you cover the overhang. See now. Overhang given, cover it. So, oh, simple support. Cover it here. Simple support. Cover here. Simple support. End simple support. Cover here. End simple support. Cover here. Cover here and here. End simple support. Clear? So don't consider the overhang. You remove the overhang. Then what it looks like, that is the support. Fully clear? If overhang is there, you just imagine overhang is not there. Then what it looks like, that is the true nature. Clear? So in case of beams, overhanging support is simple support only. But I will do one thing, correct concept. Later, I will tell you a crude method. Crude method is very powerful. I will tell it later. So in the crude method, what I will do is, see, suppose by chance, if the member stops here, end support, if no continuation, I will call it as SS, simple support. And for a crude method, I will fully round off. Full round. It is, people will tell, what is support? Sir, full round. I will tell them, don't tell it in the interviews all. They will laugh. This is a crude method. SS full round. And in case there is a overhang is there, still this is simple support only. But I will put simple support SSO. Then don't put full round, put partial round. See, put partial round. Because some entry is there here. Here no entry means final moment equal to 0. Here moment is not 0. Here this moment equal to 0. Here sum of moment equal to 0. Equal. Or this is full round. This is special round. Clear? Full round, special round. Whether full round or special round, both are simple support. Clear or not? Fast. Full round or special round, both are simple supports. Clear? Fast, fast. I will tell, if in case I cannot complete today, I will extend the class. I don't know, no comment. Full round or partial round, both are simple support. Okay, now, start. First do one thing, go for SD method. First of all, I would have skipped SD method. In the class told 1,000 times. But still, I want perfection. So, start. Slope deflection method. I will not tell you slope deflection equation, etc., etc. I will tell. And remember, today's class I am explaining when there is no settlement. When settlement is there, I will take after this session is over. After this YouTube class is over, again in Zoom, I will continue when support settlement is there. Because why? That all I can't take in YouTube. Because if I take in YouTube, doubt will come for people. They will tell, sir, that is not clear, this is not clear. Why? Because they came to one class only. So this is a general concept applicable for everybody. If they know little about MDSD Carney's method. Okay, start. SD method. Prismatic member XY, you write MXY equal M bar XY plus 2EI by L into 2 theta X plus theta Y. Delta we will discuss later. Time being delta is not there. If it is there, it is known. If it is there, it is known value. Okay, then next step is very important, calculation of FPMs. FPMs. Happily calculate. Anyway, remember, this you should calculate because in YouTube only I took around 5-6 classes for finding FPMs. Yes or no? In YouTube only I took solid examples for finding FPM. Correct? YouTube only it is taken. Earlier class. Go through it thoroughly. How to find FPM? YouTube only I considered. So everybody can go through it. Okay. Now, next step over. This is standard. Next step is correctly see the beam, see the problem, see problem, and identify where theta equal to 0. Remember, theta equal to 0. Tell me where. Theta equal to 0 where? First. Theta equal to 0 where? Theta equal to 0 where? At fixed end, fixed support. At fixed support, remember which fixed? Absolutely fixed. Absolutely fixed support. Remember, later for MD and Kani, intermediate are considered as fixed. That is not for slope. That is for stiffness and carryover. That is an intermediate simple support only. It is not fixed. So, absolutely fixed. That is only end supports. Okay, start. Then write expression for all member end moments. Remember, when a member is supported at both ends, use the regular equation. Mxy equal m bar xy plus 2ei by l into 2 theta x plus theta y. Delta term we will take later. Then, but remember, that is when member is supported at both ends. I will not tell once again. See, your equation, mxy equal to m bar xy plus 2e into I by l into 2 theta x plus theta y is when xy member is supported at both ends. At both ends. Okay. But if the far end is free end, see, when far end y is free end, that is overhang, then mxy means at the supported end is equal to only m bar xy. No theta, no delta, nothing. Stop. Theta, I told in the class, for fun I will tell, Kannadadalli. Theta, uta, pata, nothing is there. Therefore, see here MDE equal to M bar D. Here, MDE equal to M bar D. Here, no AB. AB is nonsense. MBA equal to M bar BA. MBA equal to M bar BA. MBA equal to M bar BA. And do not write the moment at the free end. Means do not write MED. Don't consider MED. For overhang, you consider moment only at the supported end. For all three methods, SD method, MD method, Kani's method. For all three methods, consider moment only at the supported end. And remember, it is equal to directly FPM. Nothing, write the FPM, stop. Do not bother about theta, delta, etc. Clear? I will not repeat. Go through the class again and understand. Clear now? Concept clear? Okay. Now start. Correctly SD method. One by one I will start now. If it requires more time, I will make full explanation. Okay, then SD method. Start. Question number 1. Correctly. See from here. It will take a lot of time. All questions I will explain now. Question number 1. See here. Both ends are fixed. Both ends are fixed. I will write here A, B, C, D. Over. Start. First step. I won't tell now. First write the equation. calculate FEM. Later, see, A is fixed end. Theta A equal to 0. Also, D is fixed end. Theta D equal to 0. So, unknowns are only theta B, theta C. So, theta A equal to 0, theta D equal to 0, theta B is there, theta B is there, theta C is there. Over. Now, start. Member AB. Member AB, when you write, what will come? Theta A and theta B will come. Theta A is 0, it is not there, only theta B. So your MAB and MBA will be only in terms of theta B. Actually not theta B, remember it will come in terms of EI theta B. But I won't waste time. Whenever I put theta, along with that EI will be there. That you write. It will be in terms of, okay, no, let me write only theta B. Why? You should know that much. I will write only theta B. EI comes there, you know it. If you don't know, don't continue the class. Theta B, MAB, MBA, only in terms of theta B. Okay, then BC member, see, theta B, theta C, both are there. So your MBC and MCB will come in terms of theta B and theta C, in terms of theta B and theta C. Then CD member, when you go to CD member, theta C is there, theta D equal to 0, it is not there. So your MCD and MDC will come only in terms of theta C. Then do one thing, write the unknowns. Either by seeing the problem you can write, or you can do one thing. See the unknowns here. Unknowns are theta B and theta C. So two unknowns are there. You require two conditions, two equilibrium conditions. Correct concept. At any support where two members are meeting, sum of the moments equal to 0. Whereas at the end simple support, moment equal to 0. If simple support has got overhang, inner moment plus overhanging moment equal to 0. This is the correct concept. But you need not bother. There is a crude method. See, crude method. That is, you write now, where unknown is there, net moment equal to 0. Over. Clear? Wherever unknown is there is a condition there. Wherever unknown is there is a condition there. What condition? Net moment equal to 0. If two members are there, sum of the moment equal to 0. If only one member is there, that itself is 0. Clear now? If two members are there, sum of them is 0. If only one is there, that itself is 0. Tell me, clear or not? I will not keep on telling once again. Okay, start. Therefore, here, without seeing problem, unknown at B, equilibrium condition, I won't write fully. Equilibrium condition at B is, put the finger here, MBA plus MBC equal to 0. MBA plus MBC equal to 0. Equation number 1, it will be in terms of theta B and theta C. Next, unknown at C. So, equilibrium condition at C is MCB plus MCD equal to 0. When you substitute here, it will be in terms of, once again, theta B and theta C. Equation number 2, I am stopping. Solve 1 and 2, get the theta B and theta C, substituting, get the final moment, then go to star. Those who are in my batch, you know what is star. For others, star means drawing SFT-BMD by finding the support reactions. That all we have done in the group. Okay. Method is over. Substituting, get the moment. Method fully clear? Tell me. Both end fixed, fully clear? Fast. Both end fixed. 3-span problem I am explaining. Full clear, both end fixed. Yes. Now, Come to question number 2. I'll change the column here. Question number 2. Left side is still fixed, but right side is simple support, D. Therefore, this time theta D is there. Theta D is there. Therefore, only theta A 0, theta D is not 0. So, unknowns are theta B, theta C and theta D. Okay, start. MAB and MBA, theta A is 0 will come in terms of theta B and theta B only. BC, MBC, MCB will come in terms of theta B and theta C. MCD and MDC, remember here theta C is there, theta D is there. It will come in terms of theta C and theta D. Okay, start. Unknowns are theta B, theta C and theta D. You should write once again. Don't do this way. After the class is over, once again write everything. Don't go to shortcut like me. I can do it because why should I waste time? Okay, start. So 3 unknowns are there. First unknown B, equilibrium at B. BA plus BC 0, same equation 1 will come. Unknown at C, equilibrium at C. MCB plus MCD 0, it will come in terms of theta B, theta C and theta D. Second equation will come. Lastly, unknown at D, equilibrium at D. Only one member is there. Equilibrium condition at D is MDC equal to 0. Unless the couple is given there. If a couple given there, I will tell the class later, not now. Okay, now, if you substitute here, you will once again get theta C and theta D, equation number 3. So, 3 unknowns, 3 equations solve, get the unknowns, substituting, get the moments, and then go to star. Second question, fully clear? Second question, fully clear? Fast. It will take some time. This is struggling one. Second question, full clear? Now we should see the word question. Okay, now, question number 3. Question number 3. That is, left side is simple support, right side is fixed. See now, I am taking care everything. Now, theta D equal to 0. But theta A is there. Theta A is there. So, this is not there. Theta D, see, at D support, fixed and theta D equal to 0. Start. When you write MAB and MBA, what happens? Theta A, theta B, both will be there. So, your MAB, MBA will come in terms of theta A and theta B. Then, when you write MBC, MCB, as usual, theta B, theta C. When you write MCD and MDC, your theta D equal to 0. Therefore, only theta C will come. So, unknowns are theta A, theta B and theta C. Now see, start. First, equilibrium condition at A. At A, only one member is there. So, MAB equal to 0. That will give you what? In terms of theta A and theta B, equation number 1. Equilibrium condition at B. What is that one? MBA plus MBC 0. That will give equation in terms of theta A, theta B, theta C, equation 2. Equilibrium at C. MCB plus MCD 0. It will give equation in terms of which one? C, theta B and theta B and theta C. Now, theta A, theta B, theta A, theta B, theta C, theta B, theta C. 3 unknowns, solve, get the unknowns, substitute, get the moment and go to star. Fourth question. This over by SD, over by... See, I believe in solving completely. I do not skip anything. In the 9 question, maximum people will do is 2 or 3 questions. This over. Fourth question. Both ends are simple supports. Now, theta A is there, theta B is there, theta C is there, theta D also is there. Therefore, unknowns are theta A, theta B, theta C. Oh, last time question I forgot now. Last time theta D was not there. I told. And theta D. 4 unknowns are there. Start. When you write MAB and MBA, theta A, theta B, both will come. When you put MBC and MCB, theta B, theta C, both will come. When you put MCD and MDC, theta C, theta D, both will come. Theta C and theta D will come. So unknowns are 4. Which one? Theta A, theta B, theta C, and theta D. Now, unknown at A, equilibrium condition at A, MAB 0, you get equation number 1. Unknown at B, equilibrium at B, BA plus BC 0, equation number 2. Unknown at C, equilibrium at C, you will get equation number 3. Which one? Theta B, theta C, and theta D, equation number 3. Lastly, unknown at D, EQ at D, MDC 0, you will get theta C and theta D, 4th equation. Now, equation 1 is theta A, theta B. Equation 2 is theta A, theta B, theta C. Equation 3 is theta B, theta C, theta D. Equation 4 is theta C, theta D. Now, 4 unknowns to solve, some of the calculators are supporting it. If it is supporting, happily solve. I told a trick in the class for you. If the calculator is not supporting more than 3 unknowns, what you can do is use this equation, write theta A in terms of theta B, and substitute here, theta A will go here, Roman 1. Come down. From here, write theta D in terms of theta C. Substitute here, theta D gone, then what happens? The 4 unknown equation will become 2 equation in terms of theta B, theta C. Get it, back substituting, get remaining. This I told in the class, or this is a mathematical part. See, from equation 1, A goes to B. Substitute here. So A goes. From equation 4th one, this last equation, D goes to C. Substitute here. See here, what happens now? Theta A will go, here theta D will go. So you get theta B, theta C. Then you can substitute back and get the answer. This I told in the class. Yes or no? I told in the class. Okay, that's all. Now, good evening, someone. Okay, thank you. Now go to further questions. Now further questions are overhanging beams. Be careful. New sheet. New round I will start now. See, first of all, SD method has no problem. Problem comes only for MD and Kani. But still, I do not want to leave SD method. If I will lose one class also, no problem. Okay, start. Now come to overhanging beams. Start. See now, this is also over. See now, in my any class if I take, right from past 40 years, academic class, I never escaped. I have taken this SA class sometime per year 4 or 5 batches. But even then, every batch I will do 9 basic questions very thoroughly. Why? Because they should not tell this is not covered, that is not covered, nothing should be there. So you should teach perfectly, not just take one question, tell over. No, I know people, even after explaining this much also problem is there. Okay, now start. These are the first basic 4 questions without overhangs. See now, once again, fixed ends. Second one, fixed there, simple support there. Intermediate, leave it now. Question 3, fixed here, simple support there. Question 4, both and simple support. Now, start with overhangs. 5 cases are there. I am covering all the 5. Question number 5 I will put here now. That is now onwards overhang. Now onwards overhang, not hangover. Actually, remember, the correct word is not overhang. Correct word is hangover. Why? hanging over. But in the modern society, hangover means something else. People tell hangover, you know it. So maybe that is the reason they decided for the students, don't use the word hangover, better use the word overhang. See, hanging over is much more better than overhang. Okay, that is not a problem. Just for fun. Don't make an issue of that one. 1 minute now. Where is the pen? Where I kept the black pen? 1 minute. I kept some black pens here ready for continuation. Where is it? Here. Idalla. Okay. Now see. First, question number 5. Fixed. All 3 span. Remember, this is not span. Overhang here. See. I'll start. Don't by heart A, B, C, D. Always. A, B, C, D, E. Start. Now, no crude method for SD method. Support A is absolutely fixed. Therefore, remember, your theta A equal to 0. This is simple support. So, theta B is there, theta C is there, and theta D is there. Okay, start. As usual, after finding FPM, first write the equations, and for overhanging be careful. No theta, geta, etc. Only FPM. Start. Identify A fixed support. Theta A equal to 0. That's all. So, start. AB member. When you take AB member, see, theta A, theta B will come, but theta A is 0, therefore only theta B. So your MAB, I'll write here, therefore your MAB and MBA will come only in terms of theta B. Only in terms of theta B. Okay, start. After that one, consider BC. When you take BC, theta B, theta C, both are there. Both are there. So, your MBC and MCB will come in terms of theta B and theta C. Theta B and theta C. Consider CD. When you consider CD, theta C is there, theta D is there. What 0? Theta C is there, theta D is there. So your MCD and MDC will come in terms of theta C and theta D, theta C and theta D. Okay, now, very important, be careful. When you write MDE, for DE member, MDE equal to M bar DE. That's all. Stop. No theta, nothing. So, that is only FPM. So, here, for overhanging side, unknown will not come. And remember, MED, do not write. It is nonsense. It is nonsense. Why? There is no support. We are writing only support moment. MED, don't bother. Someone will tell, sir, what about MED? MED. What MED? Keep quiet. Only supports you have to consider. Over. Consider unknowns. Unknowns are, see here, theta B, theta C, and theta D. Okay, now, first unknown at B, equilibrium condition at B is MBA plus MBC equal to 0. Substitute here in terms of theta B and theta C, equation 1 will come. Equation 1 will come. Next, unknown at C. Next, equilibrium condition at C is MCB plus MCD equal to 0. CD equal to 0. Substitute, you get theta B, theta C and theta D, equation number 2 will come. Next unknown is theta D. So equilibrium condition at D is MDC plus MDE equal to 0. MDC plus MDE equal to 0. It will come theta C and theta D. It will give you equation number 3. Over. Theta B, theta C, theta D are the unknowns. 3 unknowns, 3 equations. Happily solve. Get the unknown values, substitute, get the moments. Those who know, those who are my regular students, go to star. Others, continue the question, draw SFD, BMD. That is question number 5. Okay, now I will explain question number 6 and take a small break. Why? Because talking too much. I will take a small break, okay? After question 6, small break. I am talking too much high speech. Little, just no problem. I will explain question number 6 so that you can meanwhile make out. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 is same beam, right side overhang, but left side is simple support. Therefore, this time theta A also is there. Why? See, simple support will bend like this. Theta is there. These all we can't tell in this class. Sorry. Slope and deflection. Okay. Therefore, theta A 0 is not there. So now only change is what? Theta A, theta B both are there. When you write MAB, MBA, theta A and theta B both will come. When you put MBC, MCB, theta B, theta C both will come. When you put MCD, MDC, theta C, theta D both will come. And when you write MDE, only M bar DE, nothing else. Unknowns are theta A, theta B, theta C and theta D. Therefore, start. I will write here. I will start here now. Start. Unknown at A. Therefore, equilibrium condition at A. At A, only one member is there. MAB equal to 0. This will give you, in terms of theta A and theta B, equation number 1. Next unknown is which one? Theta B. So, equilibrium condition at B is MBA plus MBC equal to 0. Substitute. You will get in terms of theta A, theta B and theta C, equation number 2. Next unknown is C. Equilibrium condition at C is, see here, MCB plus MCD 0. MCB plus MCD equal to 0. Substitute. It will give you in terms of theta B, theta C and theta D, equation number 3. Lastly, unknown, theta D. Equilibrium condition at D. MDC plus MDE equal to 0. See here, MDC plus MDE 0. That will give you in terms of theta C and theta D, equation number 4. I told just now, theta A, theta B, theta A, theta B, theta C, theta B, theta C, theta D, theta, theta D. If calculate is supporting it, solve it. Or one change, express theta A in terms of theta B, substitute here, theta A will go. From here, express theta D in terms of theta C, substitute here, theta D will go. You will remain with, remember, you will what remain with what? Theta B and theta C, solve, back substitute, get the member and moment, continue. So, after the first basic questions without overhang, now we covered left side fixed, right side overhang and left side simple support, right side overhang. Or we covered right side overhang, one question, one case left side is fixed. Second case, left side is simple support. Clear? 5 and 6 are over. When I go to MD and Kani, these all I will not tell. Clear now? What we covered? First round. 3 number of span not important. First round without overhang. Both ends fixed. Second, that side fixed, this side simple support. Next one, this side fixed, this side simple support. Fourth one, both are simple support. Fifth one, that side fixed, this side overhang. Sixth one, this side overhang only, that side instead of fixed, simple support. I will tell now. Seventh question, this side fixed and that side overhang. Eighth question, again, that side overhang, but this side simple support. And last question, both sides overhang, over. 10th case does not exist. Okay, you do one thing. You tell me a 10th case for 3 span beam under normal cases. You tell the 10th case possible for you. Tell me. Can anybody give a 10th case? It does not exist. So everything is over. Okay. Shall I take 5 minutes break now? Because feeling little tired by non-stop teaching. Around just 5 minutes break. Meanwhile, don't leave the class. Okay, just 5 minutes break. 5 or 6 minutes, because talking with high speech actually takes more energy. Okay, not much. Till I rectify the mic, it's a problem. Break not yet started. Break time will start when I leave this one. Just 5 minutes, not much. That is sufficient for me. Time also is not there. Right? Because the mic has got a little problem. I have to tie it. The clip has gone. That's why I have to take round and tie it. I'll get a new mic till the 1 week problem. Or a new clip I have to get it. If I get the clip, means no problem. Just tell me, is the voice clear? Is the voice clear? You know, with the couple and the Kotagila. What is with couple? With couple, I will tell in the class. I am telling normal cases. If the couple is given the support, I will explain to you. If the couple is given the support, most probably here only I will explain. Don't worry. I know there is no question which I cannot solve. I will explain it. If the couple is given support, see, suppose a couple given, I will tell you what to do. In the class only I will tell. Maybe here only. Okay, start. Now, come to further questions. I will just complete all this today and then give a very important concept for MD Kani's method. Okay. Now see. Now, this all I will remove now. I will put once again this one. Board is not fully clean, okay. As long as what I write is clear, sufficient. Those shoki all, I am not interested. You know that one. See, now, question number, which over? 5 over, 6 over. Now, question number 7, or problem number 7. That is, see, I will remove the question. See, now, I already told you, question number 5 and 6 are right side overhang, one's left side fixed, one's left side simple support. Question number 7 and question number 8 are left side overhang. See now, left side overhang. But don't by heart ABCD at any cost. Do not by heart ABCD. Danger one. See, now A will come here. A, B, C, D, E. Right side is fixed. Therefore, theta E equal to 0. Theta B is there, theta C is there, theta D is there. Okay, start. Now, as usual, first right side fixed E. This way, theta E equal to 0. That's all. Start. Consider member AB. When you write AB, do not write MAB. MAB is not there. First of all, what MAB? It is a free end. So, for member AB, you write only what? Only MBA. When you write MBA, remember, far end is free end. It is overhanging member. So, MBA is simply equal to M bar BA, stop. No theta, nothing, over. So, no unknown here. Then, consider member BC. Right. MBC and MCB, when you write in terms of theta B and theta C. In terms of theta B, theta C, it will come in terms of theta B and theta C. These all questions we solved in the class. Okay, then consider CD. When you consider CD, theta C is there and theta D is there. So, MCD, MDC, write in terms of MCD and MDC, write in terms of theta C and theta D, theta C and theta D. Then, write member DE. When you put DE, remember, theta E equal to 0. Therefore, when you write MDE and MED, what will happen? Theta E is 0. Only in terms of theta D, only in terms of theta D. Okay, start. Unknowns. Unknowns. Theta B, theta C and theta D. Now, unknown at B, condition at B. Equilibrium condition at B is MBA plus MBC equal to 0. Why? Overhanging side. It will give you in terms of theta B and theta C equation number 1. Next unknown is at C. So, equilibrium condition at C is, see here, C. MCB plus MCD equal to 0. Therefore, you will get
theta B, theta C and theta D, equation number 2. Then equilibrium, next unknown is theta D. Equilibrium condition at D will be MDC plus MDE 0. DE equal to 0. Therefore, it will give you in terms of theta C and theta D, equation number 3. Theta E is not there. Now, 3 unknowns, happily solve, get the unknowns, substituting, get the moment, and go to star my regular students or go to SFD BMD, over. Now, question number 8. Left side overhang, right side is simple support. Simple support, E. Therefore, now theta E also is there. Therefore, I don't have to waste the time. Only change is, nodi, AB, BC, CD will remain same as last time. You write once again, write it. If you want to learn, don't write same as last time. Once again copy. But when you write DE, what happens now? Theta D and theta E both are there. It will come in terms of theta D and theta E. So unknowns are theta B, theta C, comma theta D and theta E. Now equilibrium at B, BA plus BC 0, equation 1. EQ at C, CB plus CD 0, M 0, over. EQ at D, DC plus DE equal to 0. Lastly, equilibrium condition at E. It is a simple support with no overhang, so only one member is there, MED equal to 0. Therefore, this will come in terms of theta C, theta D and theta E, it will come. This will come in terms of theta D and theta E, it will give you equation number 4. Now, how 4 unknowns solved? I just now told you, B replaced by in terms of C, remove this one. E change over to D, replace here. Theta C, theta D solve, then back substitute, get the unknowns, get the final moment, go to star. Now, last question. Question number 9, where both sides there are overhang. I will call F now. Now theta E is there. See, now, when theta E is there, no 0. AB is nonsense. BA, only M bar BA. Same as last time. BC, CB, theta B, theta C. CD, DC, theta C, theta D. DE, ED, theta D, theta E. And next, when you consider EF, MEF equal to M bar EF, stop, over. MFE is nonsense. Don't write MFE. It is not there. So, unknowns are same. Everything is same. Condition unknown at B, condition at B. MBA plus MBC. Unknown at C, condition at C. Unknown at D, condition at D. Unknown at E. Last time overhang was not there. You wrote MED 0. Now MED plus what? Plus MEF equal to 0. Fourth equation. Solve. Get the moments and close the question. Tell me. All 9 basic questions by slope deflection method. 100% clear. Those who are my regular batch student people. Those who are regular. 100% clear. All 9 basic questions by SD method. When couple is given as a support, I will tell you. Little later, don't worry. 100% clear. Those who are general public, if you know the SD method, if you have confusion about selecting unknowns or identifying, it will be clear. So, purpose is what? Those who are my usual students or usual batch people, for them, crystal clear everything. Why? All we solved. But others, information so that any difficulty for them to understand, I know what difficulty, that is cleared. Now, when I go to MD and Kani also same thing. Table and then other things, all thoroughly explained in the class, all 9 questions over. That people manage. Their confusion is what? when you take 3/4 I by L, where to carry over, where to release, how to release, if simple support, how to release, if overhang is there, how to release, those things are confusion. So I'm changing over now. The real purpose of this class is not SD method, it is MD method and Carney's method. Carney's method. Now I will do one thing now. Full I cannot explain. I will tell one important concept now. Tell me clear or not. You should tell that one. If you tell clear, I will take both the method in a single class tomorrow. Single class sufficient. Why? SD method, lot of talking, writing. MD Carney, no. Once you know the distribution factor and know how to release, then nothing is there. You should tell what I tell now, clear or not. Okay, see. Once again, come back here. Don't see there. I am going for what? Don't see anything here. It is not for which one? Not for SD method, no. Support couple, I will tell you. Okay. Now see, I will tell something today. Tomorrow's class, when you come, you should write all these. And if someone comes tomorrow, he tells newcomer, this is not clear. I will tell, go back to yesterday's class, closing part. Nodi. See. Here, tell me yes or no. B and C are intermediate. Intermediate. Intermediate supports are considered as what? Tell me. For stiffness and carryover, intermediate supports are considered as. Answer. I told you. Intermediate means either side support should be there. In the beginning only I told which is intermediate, which is end support. Intermediate supports are considered as fixed for stiffness carryover. So intermediate will be fixed, will become fixed. A and D are absolutely fixed. Yes or no? A and D are absolutely fixed. Tell correct or not? Fast. A and D are absolutely fixed. Okay, over. Further, I will tell tomorrow. Come to question number 2. B and C are intermediate support which will be taken as fixed for stiffness calculation and carryover. A is absolutely fixed, but D is simple support. Remember, it is simple support at the end. Therefore, for that is the correct concept is it is simple support. Still, I am going to tell a crude method. That crude method is very powerful. Tomorrow I will tell it. So, if simple support is there, if overhang is not there, you make full round and write simple support till you get the grip. Once you get the grip, none of them required. If a question comes to me, if somebody, when I am going somewhere, if somebody gives a question, please solve by MD or Carney's method. I will not write simple support, fixed, crude method not required for me. First of all, I won't solve by that method. I will use the trick and get the moment. That is my problem only. So it is simple support. Over. Now here, see. B is intermediate, therefore considered as fixed. C also intermediate, considered as fixed. D is absolutely fixed. A is simple support. Do one thing, round fully simple support. Okay. Now this question, B is intermediate, considered fixed. Intermediate, considered fixed for what? Stiffness and carryover, not real fixed. D and C are end support, both are end simple support, no overhang, so full round here, SS and SS. Tell me, clear? This is clear? Fast. SS, SS, full round. Clear? Full round clear? Tomorrow I will tell you what is that full round and partial round. Okay. So tomorrow's class, no one should ask me how to decide full round or partial round. First of all, crude method. But sometimes crude method is so effective that what real concept will run away from that one. If you got confusion. Okay, start. Now, come to overhanging case. For all these cases, I will tell you now. B, intermediate fixed. C, intermediate fixed. B, intermediate fixed. C, intermediate fixed. B, not B here. See, because this side support is not there. C, intermediate fixed. D, intermediate fixed. C, intermediate fixed. D, intermediate fixed. C, intermediate fixed. D, intermediate fixed. Because why? Either side supports are there. This is clear. Don't by heart A, B, C, D. Tell me. This also clear? Intermediate, 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 intermediate. Okay. Now come to end support. End support. See, end support here. Here, come here. End support. Simple support, but there is overhang. So something special is there. Tomorrow I will tell you what is that special. So this one you round off this way. Don't make full round. There is entry here, but it is still simple support only, but simple support with overhang. Tomorrow I will tell you SS full round, SSO partial round. What is the meaning crude method? Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay, start. This question. See, here once again, simple support with overhang, partial, but of course A is simple support full round. Here, see, B is simple support with overhang, so partial round. Simple support with overhang. This question. E is simple support with no overhang, full round. A B is simple support with overhang. This question. Both are simple support with overhang. This much clear means tomorrow I will tell you what is the real meaning of this one. I will tell you technically and also crude method. I know 99% people will go for crude method only. Why? Very easy to understand. That I will tell tomorrow, because non-stop I talked. I first thought today I will finish everything. Then I realized SD method will take a lot of time. Remember, tomorrow MD and Kani together will not take this much time, because I should clarify only these things. Each question I will write here and show you MD table, show you Kani's table, tell you how to find distribution factor for MD, how to find distribution factor for Kani, and what is the starting correction. Once the starting correction over, then mechanical MD method. Add the two value, change the sign, distribute, applicable means carry over. Kani's method. Inside this value, that value, into. That you can refer my earlier YouTube class. That is, I uploaded a class earlier. Kani's method fully uploaded. Actually, this question, all the remaining 8 questions, once you finish the correction, all 9 questions will become equal to this question. SD and MD and Kani both, once you apply the end correction and you understand the stiffness and carryover and how to release the ends, then all 9 questions will become same as this question. Tomorrow I will take it. Maybe before the class I will prepare the sketches ready here to save the time. I will prepare some 1 round, 4 rounds I will prepare here. This will not be there tomorrow. Remember, these 9 cases will not be there tomorrow. I will show you. See yesterday's sketch. You take a screenshot of this one, have ready with you. Clear now? Take a screenshot of this one, or in a paper, write neatly, big drawing sheet, and ready tomorrow. Clear? Take a screenshot and be ready tomorrow for that one. Okay. Tomorrow we will meet, exact 7:30 I will start, 9 or 9:15. If required, up to 9:30, I will completely close it. And including couples I will tell you, don't worry. If a couple is there, support what to do also I will tell. Now, all the confusion you faced earlier, those who are regular students, everything clear now for SD method and MD method, how to decide simple support and with overhang, clear? Those who are regular students or regular people, I can't tell students, some are not students actually. This much concept, fully clear? No. Now do one thing. You should take a book and write everything and prepare a permanent copy for you. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow. I'll first end the class. How to end? End ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Are you sure you want to stop the streaming? Okay.